Defender 90 hardtop, it's the D250S, registered on a 74 plate, VAT qualifying, it's only done 7,000 miles, then it's got the look that everybody wants. It's had that full exterior Obsidian conversion from factory. With it being the S, you come with massive amounts of spec, but then it's also had the jump seat as well. But from Obsidian, you've got the black pack, the Canards, bonnet vents, pod lights, wide arches. It's the look that everyone wants, and with the car being Santorini black, again, just gives you that full stealth exterior. So you've got Obsidian badging, upgraded bonnet inserts. Not only do you get the black pack, but then the front bumper with the Canards has been completely extended as well. That then builds into the wide arches, so it's a very good-looking Defender 90. You've then got 22-inch wheels, again, satin black, multi-spokes, just give it that look. Front and rear mud flaps, fixed side steps. The pod lights I'll show you at the end. Let me have a look at how the 3 seats work. So at the minute, you have that seat in the armrest position. So a lot of customers will ask us and say, what if I don't have a use for the 3 seats on the daily? It's fine. You slide it down. You've then got 2 cup holders, USBs, 12-volt sockets as well. Larger screen in the centre. That is because it is a 25 model. So although it was registered in the latter part of 24, it's the 25 model year, which is the one that everyone wants. Side steps I've already mentioned. Rear mud flaps. Obsidian spoiler. Obsidian spare wheel cover. So it's a good-looking car, this. But then obviously, the reason that we sell them is the financial benefits when bought in a VAT-registered business are absolutely massive. So you've got something that looks exactly like the car version, the way it drives, the way it feels, the spec that it has. You've then got the practicality of the load space. As you can see, it hasn't carried anything anywhere near what it could. So if you are going to be the sort of person who would put tools in there, building equipment, or you might be the person who wants a financially savvy way of buying a kind of business name, but then you might use it to go camping, fishing, shooting, whatever it might be, you've got one of the best looking commercials that are physically on the road. I'll show you what the armrest looks like in a second if you pop that in the seat position. Digital dash, bigger screen I've already mentioned, and the middle screen has navigation, media, telephone, everything gets controlled from there. Obviously you've got heated seats as well. The leather seats start at the S, so it's the model that a lot of people go for. That's what the third seat looks like. So 2 seats, start up, you've got just under 8,000 miles. Camera system, which I mentioned earlier, is not only is it a rear view, it's also an aerial view, 360, there's even a 3D as well. Climate controls all there, navigation, just a good looking car. The pod lights I've flicked on, so we'll show you them when you go around to the other side. It's in fantastic condition. And with it being registered in the latter part of 2024, it means you've got manufacturer's warranty with Land Rover till the latter part of 2027. So very, very good looking Defender 90, low miles, manufacturer's warranty remaining. It's already got the look that everybody wants. So it's going to save you time and money. Instead of going and getting it done yourself, it's already been done. This one's going live. Any questions about how you can buy it through different funding options? You may just want to buy it outright in a business name. Well, then just contact me direct on my mobile number. My name is Paddy, and I look forward to speaking to you.